Welcome back to the best cars. Today we're diving deep into the world of Mercedes-Benz, a brand that has redefined the automobile industry with its luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. What makes Mercedes-Benz a global icon? The legendary models that shaped automotive history, the secret behind Mercedes' dominance in luxury and racing. Get ready for an exciting ride. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's go. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's where luxury meets the future. Introduced in 1972, the S-Class has always been the first to bring groundbreaking technology to the automotive world. If you've ever used adaptive cruise control, anti-lock brakes, or airbags, thank the S-Class. Every generation pushes the limits of comfort, technology, and performance. The most legendary S-Class models include W1 Ford Orty, 1991 to 1998, known as the Tank S-Class, featuring a V12 engine and double-glazed windows for ultimate silence. W220, 1998 to 2005. The first luxury sedan with airmatic suspension and infrared night vision. W223, 2020 present. A futuristic masterpiece with MBUX AI, Level 3 autonomous driving, and a 64-color ambient lighting system. Imagine stepping inside a modern S-Class. The soft closed doors shut effortlessly. The perfume-infused air refreshes the cabin. The massage seats relax you as you glide on the road. This isn't just driving, it's an experience. When you hear AMG GT, you think brutal power, aggressive styling, and thrilling speed. This supercar was designed to take on the Porsche 911 and Ferrari 488. Launched in 2015, the AMG GT became one of the most driver-focused cars Mercedes has ever built. It features a handcrafted 4.0L twin-turbo V8 with up to 720 HP in the Black Series. The AMG GTR was known as the Beast of the Green Hell, setting track records worldwide. Famous AMG GT models include AMG GTR 2016-2020, built for the track, featuring active aerodynamics and rear-wheel steering. AMG GT Black Series 2020 present in Toll, the most extreme version, with a 720 HP monster engine and a Nürburgring record. The G-Wagon isn't just an SUV, it's a status symbol. Originally built as a military vehicle in 1979, the G-Class became the ultimate luxury off-roader. Its boxy design remains unchanged, yet the interior is pure luxury. The AMG G63 version comes with a 577 HP V8, taking this off-roader from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. What makes the G-Class so special? Triple locking differentials make it unstoppable off-road. Military-grade durability with hand-built craftsmanship. Celebrities, athletes, and royalty all own a G-Wagon. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing is one of the most beautiful and legendary cars ever built. Launched in 1954, it was the fastest production car of its time. It was the first car to feature fuel injection, boosting power to 215 HP, a huge number for the 1950s. Its gullwing doors made it one of the most iconic designs in automotive history. Why is the 300 SL so special? It was the first car to reach 160 mph in the 1950s. Today, it's a collector's dream, with some models selling for over $5 million. Did you know? The 300 SL's design was inspired by Mercedes' dominance in 1950s racing. Mercedes took Formula One technology and put it into a road car, the AMG 1. Features a 1.6L V6 hybrid turbo engine from an actual Formula One car. Produces over 1,000 HP, making it one of the fastest road-legal cars ever. 0-60 mph in just 2.6 seconds with a top speed over 200 mph. What makes the AMG 1 a revolution? It has active aerodynamics for maximum downforce. It uses F1 hybrid technology, making it an engineering marvel. It's one of the most exclusive hypercars, with only 275 units produced. Mercedes-Benz is more than just a car brand. It's a symbol of innovation, luxury, and high-performance engineering. Whether you love the S-Class for its luxury and technology, the AMG GT for its brutal performance, the G-Wagon for its unstoppable presence, the 300 SL Gullwing for its timeless beauty, the AMG 1 for its F1 technology, Mercedes-Benz continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. What's your favorite Mercedes-Benz model? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content.